Hi, I'm Luna, and I know something about you. You're tired of boring English lessons, aren't you? You really want to learn, but every time you open a textbook, it just feels so lifeless. You spend hours memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists, but when you try to speak, the words just don't come out right.
It feels like you're stuck, not making any real progress. You need something different. Something that connects with you on a deeper level. That's exactly why I'm here. I want to offer you a new way to learn. A path that feels more like an adventure than a chore. Each episode will be around 30 minutes long, filled with real English. The kind you hear in everyday conversations, in movies, and in real-life situations. There will be no tests, no grades, and absolutely no pressure. Forget about memorizing rules. We're just going to dive into stories. You'll follow my journey as I navigate life. You'll be with me when I'm grabbing coffee at my favorite cafe, trying to order something new, and maybe fumbling my words a little. You'll see what it's like when I meet up with friends, catching up on our lives, sharing jokes, and making plans. You'll even get a behind-the-scenes look at a nerve-wracking job interview, listening to the questions and hearing how I try to answer them confidently. It's all real, unscripted, and authentic. Through these experiences, you'll learn English naturally. Think about it. That's how we all learned our first language, right? Not from a book, but by listening, observing, and being part of the world around us.
You'll pick up vocabulary, understand sentence structures, and get a feel for the rhythm of the language without even trying. You'll learn through experience, through context, through story. It's about understanding the meaning behind the words, not just the words themselves.
So, are you ready to try something new? Are you ready to leave the frustration behind and start enjoying the process of learning? Let me light your path to English, one story at a time.
A new episode will be waiting for you every single day.
All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to begin your journey with me.